In front of me is OnePlus 15R, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. All you need to do is go into settings and tap on display and brightness right away. Now scroll down to select font. Click on any of those and check out preview at the top. When you're ready, hit apply to save your changes. As you can see, after a few seconds, style of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!